Well, you can hear the whistles. You can hear them everywhere because Chennai Super Kings are the champions of the 2018 IPL. I have with me Zach, Joy and Harsha. Well, there's whistling everywhere. There's whistles.
Though
It's not much like the whistle.
But that was a bit better than the SRH bowling today.
Slightly, just a little bit. Also, I didn't want to whistle too loud because the people working in the crew, they hear high pitch. I've said too much already, if you know what I mean. Harsha sir is saying, no, he didn't just say that. He didn't just say that. Yeah, there's some wagging tails. No, let's move on. So today, actually, Joy is saying absolutely, what he's saying is absolutely right. The SRH bowling effort, it was just nowhere close to what we expected from them.
When the CSK batting innings started, game was 60-40 in CSK's favour.
Yeah.
After about 5 overs, it was 75% in SRH's favour.
Yeah.
22 runs, 1 wicket. That's the best kind of start you can imagine. You know, then
for the bowling team.
For the bowling team.
Yeah.
You know? And from there, I think, Shane Watson, how beautifully he made it up for his 10 dot balls. I think just amazing.
Give him 10 every game.
Give him
10 dot balls.
Give him 10 dot balls every. Yeah, CSK will say, yeah, of course he can do that.
He's made that in 47 balls, 8 sixes. I know it's a big 6 hitting ground, but I think that when the ball was moving, they looked in trouble. The moment the ball stopped moving, the game was over.
You'd have
to
blame
it on the ball.
No, but I wanted to ask Joy about this because we were watching the final and we were like, CSK definitely worthy champions. They have been this tournament. The game, though, not worthy of being a final.
No, absolutely. You see, you expect ups and downs to happen. What happened out here was that basically SRH, till 5 overs, they were in the game. That 50-50, 50-50. And then they just went downwards. And even when the wickets came, nothing seemed to indicate the fact that, okay, something has changed. Or suddenly they're on the attack. It was just one slippery slope downwards. And it's interesting. I was just looking at it and thinking that you look at it, 5 players are there from the first ever IPL final in 2008. There's Dhoni, there's Raina, who were on the wrong side of it. And then Yusuf Pathan, who again today was on the wrong side of it. He was on the right side that time. And Jadeja and Watson were here today. And Watson contributed that day as well. He made about 29-30, got a couple of wickets, was man of the tournament. So 11 years, look at it, remarkable consistency. Those guys are coming back. In some way, I think it's appropriate also. CSK coming back, 5 old finalists coming back to make a match of it. It's fantastic.
And here's a trivia. Here's a trivia that we're all talking about. That Karan Sharma has now won 3 IPLs in a row for 3 different sides.
That's right. Yes, 16, 17, 18.
Yeah.
SRH, MI and CSK. Look at him.
Shane Watson's been one of the greats of the IPL.
Yeah.
He was player of the tournament 2008. I think he was MVP one other year in between. But even now, when you thought that Shane Watson's best years were beyond him, he just showed that when he's right, he's just so powerful, he finishes off a game.
Yeah, and he's ended with 555 runs. और आपको पता ना 555 धुलाई की टिकिया चिक और धुलाई कर दी सब.
But you know what?
555 was the State Express.
सर आप वो सोच रहे हो, मैं धुलाई की टिकिया सोच रहा हूँ.
कौन से जमाने की बात?
You know what 555?
सर मेरे जमाने की.
No, wait a minute. If I remember right, 555 was a cigarette, and the cigarette got its name from a 555 run partnership between Herbert Sutcliffe
and Percy Holmes.
Percy
Holmes, correct.
अब ये कौन से टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं?
Percy Holmes, thank you. I was trying to remember Percy Holmes.
Suddenly, Zach was worrying why I've turned the clock back 20 years later. It's like 75 years.
More than that, I think.
175 years. But something like that.
But it's a great 555. There was a
It is.
The fascinating thing is, look, Dhoni, what's happened this year in the IPL also, if you look at CSK, every year, CSK, Raina gets between 450 and 550 runs.
Correct.
He's got it this year as well.
Yeah.
The difference is 2 guys who do not play for them, hasn't played for them so far. Ambati Rayudu's got 500 plus runs, Watson has got 500 plus runs, and Dhoni has got 450 runs. So the kind of contributions that he's got from the entire team has been fantastic. And that's what's made them a dominant batting side this year.
Yeah, it just shows it's we say the best batting side, best batting team against best bowling team.
Yeah.
The best bowling team has conceded 4 out of the 5 centuries scored in this year's IPL.
So what happens with SRH is either they get you, but if they don't get you, they let you get 100.
I think they need a slightly tactical tacky track.
Yeah.
This wasn't tacky.
I'd rather go with the word tricky. They'd rather go with slightly tricky.
Dodgy.
Because,
If there's something in the track,
Yeah.
because their bowlers are so accurate and nibble it around a little bit, they do well. But on flat decks, I don't think they have the firepower because they're all about the same pace.
Take away 4 runs from Bhuvi's spell because
Those overthrows,
Huda
let him
pretty
go
much
in.
gifted them to him. But look at that spell, even with those 4 overthrows. He was just spectacular. Rashid Khan, as usual,
played him
take
out.
him to the bank.
They just played him out.
They just played him out. So those 8 overs effectively are gone for, 43 runs, 42 runs. But
at the
the
right
rest
of
of the people, they've just taken to the cleaners.
13, 14, 15.
Yeah, they couldn't bring Shakib in early because Raina had come in and they decided to.
Again, the same. No, you're not bowling a left-arm spinner against a left-hander. What?
But that
was not a
sixth
kid.
over of power play, that sixth over of power play, I just kind of want to go back there
correct.
Because you
I
mentioned
had
it.
a feeling
Yeah.
that stage, instead of Sandeep Sharma, Siddharth Kaul should have come.
Yeah.
You needed some kind of variety there. Again, it became one-dimensional. 2 overs of Sandeep Sharma. Bhuvi bowled fantastic. Bhuvi was just right on the money. But with Sandeep Sharma, just kind of getting that feeling where Shane Watson will go after him. And once you face 12 deliveries, and he was watching the ball very closely, Shane Watson. But the initial part of the inning. But
I'll say
maybe
this.
that one stage.
Because Zach won't say it. I'll say it, that Zach said it after the 5th over.
Yeah.
We were all watching together. We said, will he give Bhuvi a 3rd over? Or will he get Siddharth Kaul from Bhuvi's end and give Sandeep Sharma a 3rd over? The moment Bhuvneshwar bowled the 3rd, Zach said he shouldn't go with Sandeep for the 6th because the game might open up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He did, and it did completely. And the way it didn't just open up, I think it pretty much unraveled
Changed the game.
for SRH after that.
So Karan Sharma has won 3 in a row.
Yeah.
Ambati Raidu has now won 4 IPL titles, 13, 15 and 17 with Bombay, now 18. And if I'm not mistaken, Jadeja has won 4 as well because he'd won the first one.
With
Then he won
Rajasthan.
2 with them.
Yeah.
And he's won a 3rd. So he's 4 people. Basically, they're the only 2 people who have won 4 IPL finals. I mean, 4 IPL.
Was he
4 championship.
10 he was back with Chennai?
2010 he didn't play.
No, I think was
10
it
was he
10
back
he
in
did, or
Chennai?
was maybe Jadeja didn't play 10.
Yeah.
Did he play 10?
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Rohit Sharma's won 4 titles.
You won't get the
Deccan
red
Chargers.
Rohit Sharma's won 4.
Deccan Chargers
You're
and
right,
3 with
Rohit
MI.
Sharma's won 4. So Rohit and Raidu definitely, probably Jadeja. I don't know why.
For not being sure with Jadeja, we won't give you the red table.
It was going to
I
go with you.
worked so hard for
There
it.
is a tempo waiting outside that
I
was going
had
to take
worked
it
so
to
hard
you.
for it.
Ajit, tempo cancel karo. Where is he? Oh, he's driving the tempo.
He's actually giving away next year's Joy Factor questions.
Is,
Answers away.
are those? Well, people are going to, I'm telling you, people will make a note. People should make a note. Let's have a look at the summary scorecard. I don't know if we showed that to you. So Kane Williamson and his boys were batting first because that's what MS Dhoni said they should do. He won the toss. And it was 178 that they got to. And we were still calling it sort of 60-40
Yeah,
in
but
the middle.
look at
But
that.
when you look at how Chennai Super Kings got to it, they
We'll
would have
talk
got
about Watson. We'll talk about Watson a lot. But look at what the name immediately below Watson at a difficult time. Raina came in at a very difficult time.
Yeah.
He's got 32 of 24. And what Joy said is very interesting. Raina is normally front runner. He's the batting star for Chennai Super Kings.
Yeah.
This year he hasn't. So you think, oops, what did Raina do? He's still giving you 400 runs.
Yeah.
He's still been that bank for you. So Raina in IPL is always there. And I think that 32 was a very important 30 today. At the stage of the match.
because he kept it together for them in the partnership between Raina and Watson. Of course, there you go, 117 runs of 57 balls. One sec, isn't that exactly what Watson has got as well?
Yeah, I think
Isn't he also at 117 or 57 balls?
But he didn't score all of those. So.
No, but Inception.
Yep,
Inception. Exactly the same. Strange stuff is going on. Creatures walking in the night. Ambati Raidu was probably looking at Shane Watson when he got a century and said, मुझे अगर ओपन करने दिया होता तो मैं भी लगाता
But एक लगाया उसने. He also got 100.
But he said, आज भी लगाता मैं.
there's
So
only-
I got it today
If
as well.
there's any problem with today with Chennai's batting performance, it's that somehow nobody contrived to get out to allow Dhoni to hit the last 6. Because
Yeah.
that's the only thing that is normally there with CSK, Dhoni hitting the final 6.
But then again,
that's the only plot change.
But I'll tell you what would have happened is that Dhoni would have hit a last ball 6. Everybody on television and the print would have gone, my God, what a script, what is written. And then again, people would have bounced on you. Because we would have said it, but they would have bounced on you.
You know, one thing I'm very happy with today is there is no such thing as a jinx.
Yeah.
Nobody has this power. I know we are in an era of superhero movies. Nobody has the power. I said Chennai's match is turning. I said Chennai Super Kings coasting. I said Chennai Super Kings done it, and nothing happened.
That means you're feeling the pressure of responsibility. That power was just
Power is restricted
becoming a
somehow.
burden on
something.
him.
There's some kryptonite.
There was some
I
kryptonite.
think I'm
Check your
there, I feel it
phone.
is
Check your
just
phone. There's got to be some kryptonite in it somewhere.
Yes, I think he's changed the phone or something.
And it did happen. We've got Harbhajan Singh as well. Harbhajan Singh's on the winning side today. He's won 3 with MI as well.
Yeah,
So
I
we've
mean,
got
but
another
he's
one
not
for 4.
played the 11. Yeah.
He's not made the 11. Excellent.
How
If-
good is CSK, man? But what
Today
do
they were
CSK
just-
do right? No, what do CSK do right? Look, they have to be doing something right if they've made 9 playoffs in 9 years, 7 finals in 9 years, and won 3 out of 9. They must be doing something right.
There's inspirational leadership. There is the coach and captain who are a cohesive unit.
Continuity, big
Continuity. Then I also feel, fan support. KKR knows how
It
that
could be,
feels.
but the
Fan
team
support.
is run by 2 people.
And they're
It's
also
run by
very,
2 people.
very smart in terms of using their resources. You know, you look at Shane Watson, he scored that 100.
Yeah.
After that, how many overs he's bowled in the IPL? Dhoni was very quick to understand that, okay, I'm just going to use Watson as a batsman now in this tournament. If needed, I will use him
I
as
don't
a
want him
bowler.
to do a hamstring or something while bowling.
Exactly. He made sure he preserved him nicely. So he's. I think this season he's been very smart in terms of using his resources, resting them at times, and because that was a question mark. And he himself has mentioned that in the press conference where he said that the age of the squad was a factor, and he addressed it smartly. Usually you don't see Dhoni making so many changes. Some of the changes were forced, but some of the changes were very tactical. Like the fact that he was using Faf in SRH match in the first game where he dropped Imran Tahir. Maybe he was not available for fitness reasons, but he did it smartly. He played Raidu in the middle order, so he was doing these tactical changes, keeping the team which they were playing against in mind, and that was something very smart and very subtle but very smart.
He said,
And also keeping the youngsters, using the youngsters well as well, because he had all these experienced war horses, and then he had the Shardul and the Deepak Chahar and the Nigiri.
Exactly. I think that one player made a big change. We talk about CSK's batting.
Yeah.
But Lungisani and Ngidi has made a big change because those.
And he
4
said he
overs
liked the
he's
responsibility of bowling the death overs. He said
and he
that
gave him
post
the
the match.
first 2. He gave him the first 2 to bowl. Just come and bowl quick, and he got him for the back 2, and he was excellent. That young man is going to go back to South Africa far better cricketer than when he came.
See, the other thing is, if you look at all these stars out here, who won the first game for them? Coming back, he was hurt. He was
Kedar
injured,
Jadhav.
came back in a situation where he could barely walk and hit that boundary to finish it off. That it speaks of a kind of season, because Bravo couldn't complete it. It was finally Kedar Jadhav who completed it. A guy, it's like a script again.
Yeah.
This injured warrior comes in and finishes it for you. It started like a film script and they ended it like a film script.
Yeah, it was one of the moments of the IPL. I think it started off in the first game.
And while that was happening, we were sitting in the Crickbus studio, and we had somebody saying, "Why is fine leg up inside the circle?
Yeah.
This man is playing the torn hamstring. He cannot hit down the ground. Why do we have fine leg inside the circle?" And guess where the 6 went? Guess where the paddle sweep went?
Who said it though? Zach?
How do you think? Was it you?
It was not, because I was not here on the first day.
You're not.
I was on a flight in from
said this-
Amsterdam, so
he
that's
had-
why I have no idea. I didn't see it.
It was when the last over started. We're all getting ready for the post-game show.
Yeah.
And I think Fizz might have been bowling the last over.
was bowling.
And he said, "Why is third man fine leg inside? He can only play the lap shot. And if he played one, missed, and he got one."
Only you could have
It
said
happened twice. Still, he was
Inside
stubborn.
foot. Huh?
He was
Still
stubborn.
he was stubborn. Sir, एक बार ही जब plan बना ले, you have to execute the plan.
Correct.
Maybe that was his plan that day. But I have to, about MS Dhoni, we were talking about
Yes.
it. I have to use that word that all of you don't like me using, the big O. Optimize resource. I don't know what you guys thought. Optimize your resources.
I was wondering.
The big O.
I was really wondering.
The big O. He does that. He did that with his seniors. Because I remember all of you were sitting here and you were talking and you were concerned about the fact that it was a team that was not really a young team. Like it was a 35-ish kind of team, and that the wheels could fall over. Sometime injuries could happen. But the way he managed it, and he got the youngsters to get sort of the momentum and the push forward in the inertia, and he got the older lot to sort of just stand there like, the pillars.
And that quote to me is one of the quotes of the IPL. That I have so many cars and bikes in my garage, but I don't use all of them at the same time.
Yeah.
So he put all his bikes and garage into the team. All his bikes and cars into the team, and only drove the one he wanted at the time. Sometimes captain saying, "Usko chance nahi mila, isko chance nahi mila." He doesn't care.
Yeah.
Okay, today he wasn't right. I think what he said about Watson is absolutely brilliant. That he didn't want to lose Watson, so didn't bowl Watson after that, got a big tough fellow in Ngidi back in. So when the team was constructed, they had all kinds in it, and all kinds played, and it helped that they had, what, as we said, 8-9 batting options and 6-7 bowling options. That is how teams are constructed in T20 cricket.
He completed the jigsaw puzzle very smartly. He had lots of teams had pieces. He was the one who put it together the best, and that's why the expert of the jigsaw is basically, he's the only one who got it completely right.
So why do players go to CSK and play well?
Yeah,
it's an interesting thing. I asked Dwayne Bravo when he first went to CSK, and I said, you know what, you were getting number 4, number 5 when you were playing for Mumbai Indians. You're batting number 7 here. And so I said, I mean, aren't you frustrated? He said, no. He said, MSD, tell me my MS. He said, MS, tell me my role. He said, I'm happy. MS, tell me my role. I go and do my role. He said, I don't mind batting at 7, but MS, tell me my role.
Wow.
So from batting at 4-5 for Emma, he was batting 7 for Chennai Super Kings, but he was happy because there must be something there that people are going there and doing well.
Is it fair to say, I think so, get your points, that MS Dhoni is one of the greatest captains ever to have played the game? I'm not saying Indian, I'm not saying short format, I'm not saying long format, I'm saying one of the greatest tacticians as captain.
His tactics has always been fantastic. I think the shorter format, he just got the feel of the game, you know, and he just knows how to push the game further and further.
Yeah.
And then the elements come into play. You know, the pressure element. You know how how players are handling situations, and he just mastered it. So that's something, you know, which works brilliantly in the shorter format, and he just mastered that.
You know, there's a beautiful sight today when, you know, the players were just lining up 2 runs to get, and they're all sort of, you know, arm in arm. All the players were arm in arm, and the young players, and they're jumping and they're excited. And just behind MS and beside him, his partner for all these 10-11 years, Suresh Raina.
Yeah.
And they had a different look at, okay, job done finally.
Let the kids enjoy this moment.
Yeah, but they were in a different space altogether. These guys won championship and all. They were like, okay,
you know, I mentioned Jadeja. Raina said to me when we were chatting once, and not in an interview, just chatting informally once, and he said, "Kabhi na मैं batting करने आता हूँ, तो ये pressure होता है कि यार यहाँ मारूँ, वहाँ मारूँ." He said, "सामने देखता हूँ ना, non-strike run पे से calmly खड़े हैं मिस भाई." फिर मुझे लगता है मैं tension किस बात का ले रहा हूँ?
Yeah.
So he said, you know, even when I am worked up at the other end, this guy is standing there so calmly. So there must be something. Look, given their record, I think it merits further study. There's something about CSK.
Yeah, there really is. This is the 3rd title now, which means they are equal with the Mumbai Indians. The Mumbai Indians have 3, CSK have 3, KKR have 2. It's okay. Still better than what RCB has.
I didn't say.
There's some RCB fans here.
Contract.
Here's the thing. I'll explain to you. Now, you know, since it's our last show, we can open out, we can give you some secrets, right? थोड़ा पैर ऊपर करके बैठ जाते हैं आराम से. अब आपको बताते हैं, हमारे डायरेक्टर जो हैं, अभिदीप, वो बहुत बड़े फैन हैं कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के. हमारे प्रोड्यूसर जो हैं अजीत, वो बहुत बड़े फैन हैं आरसीबी के. अब now when I say fans, I'm sure you're fans as well of teams, you know. By fans, I mean these are the guys who tattoo the logo on their arm. You know, they'll have to drink the night away if their team loses.
Exactly.
You know, swim through their tears when it gets eliminated.
Like guys who lose Champions League finals.
Yeah, but look at me. I'm still here. I'm still doing. One sec. Who do you support? Arsenal.
Real.
No, okay. These are what I call the palm tree fans. When the wind blows here, they go here. When the wind blows there, they blow there. Palm tree fans.
Gaurav, I want to introduce you to one more concept, management concept.
Yeah.
It's called CLM. Have you heard of it before?
CLM.
Yes. CLM stands for Career Limiting Move. You've been talking about your producer.
Yeah. But, this is because my only career is the fans. The people. I am only answerable to you.
That is the best.
And the product, you are the consumer.
That is the best U-turns other than IFCO Chowk ka wala U-turn in Gurgaon.
IFCO Chowk wala U-turn to 2 din ke liye nahi le sakte. You can't take it for 2 days.
If people are with you, then that CLM you said, na?
Career Limiting Move.
जो भी बोलो.
Career lengthening move.
Career L change कर दिया आपने. Very nice.
If people are willing, but producer signs a check.
Today, of course, Chennai Lungi moves are happening because they'll be doing the Lungi dance all over Chennai because they'll be so happy the 3rd time. Sorry?
And Gidi might be leading the dance.
They'll be leading the Lungi dance. Where did I start from? I was telling people what the fans
Producer
are.
and all.
We were
What is
talking about
happening.
RCB. First, we were talking about Liverpool.
First we were
Yeah.
talking about CSK, then we spoke about RCB, KKR, Liverpool, Arsenal,
Yeah.
Siliguri
Sergio
United,
Lungi dance.
Lungi Dance.
Ramos.
I love this. We have to go back again and again. and
Okay,
think
let's
about
come
it.
back to it. Great.
No,
evening for
we're
CSK.
done actually. We're done. What else do we have to cover? We're done. It's time for us to go. Are you a little
Just
sad that this is over?
No, one thing.
One
well
thing, yeah.
played to Sydney Sunrisers.
Yeah. We didn't
I
say
think
that?
I think it ran a fabulous campaign. They lost Warner, they lost Stanley, they lost Bhuvi for a while. They made the most of what they had. I think they ran a fabulous campaign. I think the two teams that made the most of what they had were Sunrisers and KKR.
Yes, absolutely.
And it's going to be interesting because next year, if Warner's back, they can look a very powerful side because then they can play
I
Williamson.
still have Williamson as captain though.
I'd still also have Williamson as captain. It'll be very, very interesting combination.
Very interesting, right? You doubt if... anyway, next year is really far away, so we don't know what's going to happen at that point in time. But we have to say, this IPL probably in season 11 has been the closest IPL. Or not probably, actually even with the numbers has been the closest IPL that there's ever been. And this augurs well for the league, Zach, doesn't it? Because you want this to happen in the league. You don't want it to be like, the football leagues in the world where 3-4 teams sort of tear away from all the others.
Like
you
that
want to keep all the mix.
margins.
Yeah, like
Small
that
margins
fancy
makes it
football
better.
league in England where you just buy the
Three clubs, four clubs, what?
That's right. You have the big four, which has sort of become the big five or the big six, but it's never going to be equal for all 20.
Yeah, but small margins always
And
make
small
things
margins. So this one, with 18 being the top team that qualified, 10 being the team that came last, 10 points with Delhi Daredevils, you've got to say this is the kind of league that Indian cricket fans deserve.
I don't think there was a game I can remember where I could say with confidence, as you can if Man City is playing some number 17 side, with confidence you can say, you know what, I know what the result is going to be.
Yeah.
And that is purely because of the equalizing of the purse.
The auction.
Yeah.
At the auction. That is one of the best decisions taken right at the start, that every team, irrespective of the wealth you bring to the auction, the amount of money you can spend is equal. And as a result, the teams are getting equal. As a result, there's almost an equalization of ability, and therefore is what you do with the ability that is winning matches.
Also, what I loved about this IPL is this was the one IPL, and it sounds like a cliche, where actually it was all about cricket. No controversy, no off-field.
Yeah,
In
not
fact,
yet. Yeah, but hopefully
the
not.
moments
Not
that I remember most of this IPL is the first time when Virat played Dhoni, and the way they met and hugged on the field. And I
Yeah.
said, that for me is set up what this IPL was about.
Yeah.
And it's been one of the most incident-free controversy. Nobody bad-mouthing anyone, no such thing. They played hard, they played well.
Good cricket too.
Great cricket. I love this IPL. It's one of the
And no
finest IPLs.
washouts.
No, washout. I was just thinking the same. There was not one rained out match. There was not one rained out match. Also, on the
super
point
over.
what Joy is saying,
No
Yeah,
super
no
over.
super over.
yeah, no super, like
Hat-trick?
super over perhaps.
Was there a hat trick? No.
No hat-trick either.
No hat trick.
Couple of
500.
two wickets in 2 balls, but no hat-trick.
No hat trick. No double hundreds. We're not far away from the day, I'll tell you that. We're not far away from the day when there's a double hundred in a T20 match.
I only have one wish for IPL 12. I hope that South African who's retired from the game is not retiring from franchise cricket.
Nah, he's going to be here.
Yeah.
AB de Villiers has to be part of it. Considering it might just happen in his country next year.
बात कर लिया? बात कर लिया अभी से?
मैंने करी है. When I've got so much red on my set, I'm allowed to talk to anybody in RCB on speed dial.
A lot of the red is the bleeding from last night's result. But it's okay.
The bleeding from last night's result.
Oh, burn.
But it's a great IPL.
The problem is that I can't even banter back with him because he supports no team. It's just like, what do I say to him?
No, but I agree with Joy. I think it's been a wonderful IPL. It's been a really good IPL. It was a strenuous IPL. It was very hot. Teams got one week break in between. Some teams came out of the break well. Some, like Kings, capsized immediately after the break. But all the cricketing elements that are required in an IPL, you got all of them. It stayed on the back page, which is where the IPL needs to be. It stayed. I mean, nobody reads newspapers as you like. Well, you say you don't read newspapers, but it stayed on the back page. It stayed on the sport. All the shouting anchors on the news didn't get anything to say about this year's IPL. So I love this IPL.
Some shouting anchors on television got pretty close to the cricket action. Subtle, always. Subtle. नीचे रखने का boss, नीचे रखने का surra ball. But we want to, of course, give a big thank you to all of you. All your support, all your messages. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for interacting with us. Thank you so much for taking part in the quizzes and indulging us with those little funny lines here and there. We've got one last prize to give away.
You've not given away a single one of them. You hoarded all of them.
नाम का देना है, नाम का. काम का देखेंगे बाद में, पहले नाम का देखेंगे.
कल अगर गौरव कपूर के घर जाओगे ना, you'll see in every room one red table like that. All of those that were due to be sent to the winners.
इतने कमरे नहीं है सर मेरे पास. That's my way of saying that table इतने सारे हैं मेरे पास. Okay, we've got one last answer to give away. Let's put the question out again because it is Landy.
Okay, this is really not my question. It's the only question which is not mine. It's our statistician Deepu's question, but I loved it. So this is about a player who's played 2 IPL finals and his team went on to lose both. When he didn't play but was in the team, his team side went on to win. Who is this? He was also sitting in the dugout today. His name is Lakshmi Pati Balaji. That's the answer you have. He lost finals for CSK in 2008, in 2014. In 10 he didn't play and in 12 he was unfortunately injured just before the finals.
Wow. घाट का पानी पिया है.
But an amazing guy and a great cricketer.
बालाजी जरा धीरे चलो. बालाजी जरा धीरे चलो.
What a song it was. बालाजी जरा
धीरे चलो. It's the one that they used to
sing a lot.
Well, who's our winner? Let's have a look at our winner's name of the Joy Factor. Devansh Agarwal, congratulations. Nelson _ Devansh. Well done. He's also, I think he's won before. So congratulations.
वो क्या है ना कि सब लोग 4 they put 4 application forms thinking एक तो लगेगा. वैसा they keep putting in thinking गौरव एक तो देगा हमको लाल टेबल.
मिलेगा जरूर. But the thing is that in case you have won thrice, you're only allowed to get 1 table. There's a 1 table maximum, as per the fine print, the rules and regulations that I am going to be writing tomorrow morning. I'm writing the rules tomorrow morning. I will write these in as well. But मेरे को suddenly याद आ गया when my parents used to ask me how is the question paper. My only answer used to be Landy. That's all I could. It was just too long.
About my questions.
Zach thought about the questions. Lengthy.
Too lengthy.
Landy paper set कर दिया उन्होंने. Any final thoughts, gentlemen, before you leave? It almost sounded like any final wishes. You're not walking the plank. Sorry, you're not walking the plank.
Yeah, it was good fun. It was good fun. We tried something different on CricBuzz.
Yeah.
We did everything that a television channel either could not or would not want to do.
Yeah.
Not a single ball to be shown. And yet I think there were decent insights from one of the 4 people on the panel today. There was a lot of fun from some of the others.
Yeah.
But I think we had fun and thank you.
Yeah, I just want to thank everyone and I want to especially apologize to Mayank Agarwal. You're a wonderful player, but man, I mean, I called you Cinderella, but you're not Cinderella.
No, you also called Robin Uttama Kitty Party.
I called him Kitty Party. Yes.
Kitty Party? I was not here for that as well.
So basically he kept getting out in the late 30s, early 40s. So Kitty Party, na, usi age mein hota hai.
Oh, so late 30s and early 40s you get out of the house for kitty parties. Is that what he's saying?
Yeah.
No, whatever.
He's done. I'm telling you, Joy's done research in all sorts of things.
So there be 3 rounded people and 1 edgy person.
Edgy person. Zach, any final thoughts?
It's been fantastic.
Yeah.
Really had a great time here on the show. And it's something different, when you don't have a lot of clutter going around, you can talk about the game a lot.
True.
and just, that's something which probably, brings us closer to the game and adds that different dimension as well.
Yeah, it really has been fantastic. So a big thank you. I mean, I keep sort of taking the mickey a little bit, but a big thank you to all our crew. I think we should give them a round of applause.
Yes, well done.
I think they've all done well. While we were still rotating and got some days off, all of them have pretty much been here every day from the start of the season. So really, hats off to them to keep the interest going physically, mentally.
I also want to especially make a special mention about the director because he didn't come to the crew party because his mother-in-law was coming. Which is the worst excuse I've heard in the history of mankind, and it needs to be recorded out.
And now it's gone public.
I really want to know, because honestly, the thing is with all us married boys, whenever you say, oh, my mother-in-law's in town and I've got to be there, none of us will question it, right? So I would want Abhideep's mother-in-law, ma'am, if you are watching, please tell us that you were there, because he's used it as an excuse last night to not come to the crew party. We really want to know.
But I'll tell you one thing. I mean, I know where we started and where we're ending. All you young people will not understand the best investment you make in a marriage is with your mother-in-law. Just make friends with your mother-in-law and everything is smooth after
सर
that.
शोले का डायलॉग है, जब तक सास हंसेगी तब तक सास चलेगी.
मुझे लगा मैंने कुछ I think बंद कर लेते हैं अभी.
We want to say thank you once again to all of you from everyone here at Crick Buzz. I hope you're going to miss us. We're going to be back really soon, and the next IPL too. We'll try and be here just to keep this whole thing going, which was we wanted you to feel part of your own friends who are sitting in a lounge room and talking about cricket, not worrying about pan masalas and jangiyan and banyan to stop us from showing segments of the game. So that's what we aim to do, and hopefully we've succeeded in that, and hopefully we've made a bit of a connection with you. I'm Gaurav Kapoor for one final time this IPL on Crick Buzz Live. I'd like to say good night. A big thank you to my guests, of course, who are here, Joy Bhattacharya, Harsha Bhogle and Zahir Khan. To our guests who were here earlier in the season, there was Simon Dool, there was Michael Vaughan. So a big thank you to them as well. Also to Danish Seth and Gautam Bhimani. Thank you so much for being here. But last but not the least, a big thank you to Ajit. Sara Sheher unke loyan ko naam se janta hai.